Alright, time to take some supplements. Improves lean muscle by 300,000%. Says it on here, so it must be true. Let's make room for the real supplements. Beer, Bud Light Platinum. Wine. Tequila. Watch out, stuff dangerous. And what's an alcohol collection without a 40, Old English? Now this episode on Prepared Life by MG is going to be on how you can effectively drink alcohol and still make gains. Now keep in mind you can't be getting obliterated every single night, but here on Prepared Life channel by MG, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Nasty stuff. But it gets the job done. And here at Prepared Life Industries, we're all about getting the job done. Alright, so anyway, like I said earlier, today's episode is going to be on how you can drink alcohol effectively and not really lose too many gains unless you're getting obliterated. Now keep in mind that if you have a problem with alcohol and you're thinking about quitting and you want to pursue your fitness life more, then by all means, man, do that. But anyways, why I'm making this video is I had a guy he emailed me a question saying he wants to get more into fitness, but he drinks a little bit and he really doesn't want to give it up. So he wants to know if he can still drink a little bit and pursue his fitness career. And I said, absolutely. Reason being because I actually drink every single night. I like my beer. I like good beer. Keep in mind, this stuff right here is trash. If you drink a lot of it, it will make you feel like trash the next morning. It's not good beer. It doesn't, your body just doesn't agree with it. But drink a little bit better beers. I usually like to drink at least about a 6-pack a night. I don't get drunk. I just get buzzed. And I'm going to give you a couple key things you can do that will help you tremendously. Number one, and this is the number one. I could just make the video on just this and say nothing else. Hydration is key. Also eating, but I'm going to say hydration first. Now, before you say you drink your 6-pack, the whole time you need to be drinking a little bit of water. Now keep in mind, alcohol is a diuretic, so it's going to make you pee more. So you're going to pee out a lot of the water that you're also drinking with the alcohol. Now a way you can get around that is the military used it a lot. A lot of fighters, boxers, they use it too. Pedialyte. You can buy it at any store, any convenience store, just about. Well, not like gas stations, but you can get it like CVS. That's about the smallest store. In any big store like Walmart, you can buy it. It's about $5. Sip on it throughout the night while you're drinking alcohol, and also right before you go to bed, drink about half the bottle of it, maybe a quarter bottle even if you want to, but drink about half the bottle. You will wake up peeing clear, I promise you. But just get a little bit of Pedialyte. If you don't have Pedialyte, then just use Gatorade or something. It doesn't have the same electrolytes as Pedialyte does. It's not nearly as strong. That's why Pedialyte is has like a syrupy consistency, because it's got a lot of electrolytes in it and a lot of sugars. Now, number two. If you're trying to make gains, well then, you should be eating a lot. You should be eating properly. Well, what beer tends to do is it causes me not to want to eat as much. So what I usually do is when you get back from the gym, or like I work out usually later, you know, I'll go to work or whatever, and then I work out a little bit later. So it's already towards the end of the day, before I start drinking. So whenever it's coming towards the end of the day, you work out at the end of the day, get your food in you first. Eat your nutritional food. Get that down first. Don't get back from the gym and start drinking alcohol. Now, I know not a lot of people do that, but I used to do that. Whenever I was in the military, I did that. We get back from working out and we start drinking a beer. But get your food in you first, okay? So get the good food in you, and then after that, let it process a little bit. Don't just go straight into eating and then chugging a beer. Drink your water or your Pedialyte with the meal. Then after that, then you can drink your alcohol. Wait about 30 minutes to an hour, then start drinking your alcohol. The routine I like to do is get back from the gym, eat my food. I don't like to take supplements. The only supplement I really take is pre-workout, just to kind of get me going, and glucosamine and chondroitin for my joints. That's about it, and maybe like a B vitamin supplement. I don't like to load up on all this crap. Now every once in a while, if I want to make some serious gains, I'll throw a weight gainer in there, like True Mass or something like that. for the most part, it still hurts my stomach, so I like to stick with the good food. So anyways, do that, get your food down, and then you can start drinking. And that's pretty much it. That's about all you need to do. And like I said, you have to be able to monitor yourself. Don't be getting plastered every night, because once you get drunk, it doesn't really matter. You're going to set yourself back. You're not going to make gains. You're going to be exhausted the next morning. Your joints are going to hurt. And you're going to spend all day getting hydrated. What people fail to realize is you can't be dehydrated and chug a bunch of water and be hydrated in a couple hours. No, it takes a long time to get hydrated. It can take anywhere from 12 to 24 hours for that water to actually start kicking in and get into your muscles and your blood and everything. So just be smart about it. Hydration is the #1 key. Okay? So that should pretty much answer your question. You can also Google other ways to combat the alcohol sickness, but for the most part, hydration is it. And also got to have the food in you too. And don't be thinking that you can get drunk. This is not what this video is about. I'm not saying you can get plastered and get drunk. And be careful with liquor. Liquor it turns me into a different person, so I stay away from it altogether. And don't be going out a lot, because you're going to blow a lot of freaking money. You know, get your own stuff, come back to your house. If you've got a wife or a girlfriend, fiance, whatever, come back, just hang out with them, just drink your alcohol, watch a movie or something. That's the way I like to do it. I don't like to go out a lot because it's way too fucking expensive, and I'm not going to get chicks anymore. I'm married. So, you know, grow up, use your brain, and everything should be fine, man, you know? So thanks for asking the question. Thank y'all for watching Prepared Life channel by MG. Subscribe to me if you want to be getting the updates for my new videos. I'm going to be putting out more content, or I have been lately, and I'm going to keep doing that because I'm trying to grow my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Matt Gardner PL, Twitter, Matt T Gardner 3. Everyone have a good day, stay hydrated, be smart, and don't be getting piss-ass drunk. Thank you.